Children's Day special winged boat. So this is a very easy way of making a paper winged boat, and it is useful too. So you can just use it for playing, and you can also use it as a Children's Day home decor, and you can also gift it to your friends and family members. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now without any further delay, let's get started. So this winged boat contains a seat where you can place a Lego doll or anything, you can place it in here. So I'm making it in a 15 into 15 centimeter paper. So you guys can take any paper you like. So if you're going to be placing a big doll or something, you can take a big piece of paper. So you can just make the doll, and you can make it sit over here, and you can also make tiny dolls, and you can also make them sit on the right and left corner as well. So if you guys can see, this will also look like two mountains. So now without any further delay, let's get started, and we'll be seeing how to make this easy and useful winged boat. So for this, I'm just going to be taking a square piece of paper of red color. So you guys can take any color you'd like. So the first step we're going to be doing is that we're supposed to be folding the paper in half like this. So please make sure that all the folds you make are proper, and you have to use your nails to sharpen it so that the output will be good and beautiful and nice. So after we fold it in half, I'm opening the paper and I'm folding the paper in half on the opposite side. We have to do it slowly like this. So the next step is that we have to open this paper, and I'm going to be folding all the four sides of the paper to the middle point. So do this slowly. So the first 5 steps will be almost like doing a fortune teller or 4 cups that I've already posted a video in my channel about. So you guys can visit that if you want. So after we complete this, we're supposed to be turning the paper to the opposite side and repeating the same steps. So we're supposed to be folding all the 4 sides of the paper to the middle point like this. So please do it correctly or the output won't be good. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm going to be taking this paper and I'm folding it in half like this. Now I'm going to be opening it and I'm going to be folding it in half on the opposite side. So now I'm just going to be turning this paper over here, and I'm just going to be piercing my finger in this hole like this, and I'm just going to be folding this paper over here at the corner part so that we'll get a triangle like structure like this. So now I'm just going to be folding this part down and I'm folding it like this. So after we complete this, we'll get a structure like this, and now I'm just going to be opening it over here, and I'm just going to be opening this part over here, and we're supposed to be doing this slowly. So I'm just going to be opening it slowly like this, and I'm just going to be pushing this part to the down. So we have to do this slowly, so this will take some time, so do not hurry on this. So I'm just going to be turning it slowly like this. So now we just have to press it, and I'm pressing the whole paper to the bottom part like this. So we'll have a triangle like structure at the bottom part, then we'll have a diamond like structure on both the sides. So you can take your time to do this slowly like this. So the next step is that I'm just going to be taking this top part from the bottom part over here, and I'm just going to be folding it to the top slowly like this. So now I'm just going to be turning the paper to the opposite side, and I'm taking this bottom part and I'm folding it to the top slowly like this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm just going to be opening this piece of paper over here slowly. So we're just supposed to be taking it slowly like this, and we have to fold it over here to the bottom part slowly over here. So now we'll have like a diamond like structure at the top part, and we'll have a bottom part like this. So next step we're going to be doing is that we're supposed to be folding these parts over here. These are for the wings. And now we're just supposed to be opening this part slowly like this over here, and now we can open this part slowly over here as well. So as we open it, we're just supposed to be pressing it onto the center part like this, and we're supposed to be folding it at the corners as well. So I'm just going to be pulling it and I'm going to be pressing it over here so that it will be nice and strong. So after we complete this, our paper winged boat is ready. So one special point about this winged boat is that this does not require any scissor paper glue, tape or anything. You can also use any markers or color pencils or pencils to decorate this if you want. But if you want to decorate it, please do it in a white paper. But if you're not going to be doing any decoration, you can just take one color of paper to do that. So you can use your own creativity to design it. So after we complete this, our paper winged boat is ready. So this is a very easy and useful and children's day craft. So before we conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching this video and keep continuing to watch my videos in my channel. And for those of you who don't know, I post a video every day on my channel. And please watch my videos every day. And thank you for supporting me and my channel. Bye.